Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Monster Hunter Wilds error code s9052-tad-w732. The error reads, "Communication error has occurred." As per our research, the error comes when players try to launch the game. Many users shared that the error appears right from the main menu and blocks access to the game. Some users receive the error on every launch or even while performing any action in the game. According to our research, this error is mostly related to network issues or temporary problems with the game servers. First, try power cycling your device along with the network. Simply turn off your console or PC and your router, then unplug them, then wait for a few minutes, then restart everything and check for the error. If you still have the error, then go to the control panel. Then select Network and Internet. After that, select Network and Sharing Center. Then click on Ethernet, then go to Properties and disable IPv6. Once done, restart your device and check again. If the error still comes and you are using a VPN, then try disabling it and check if the game works without the error. If you still have the error, then connect over a different Wi-Fi network or a mobile hotspot and check if the error still appears. If the error still comes, then it's likely a server-side issue. So go to downdetector.com and check if there are any reported outages for Monster Hunter Wilds. If so, wait for a while and try again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.